my friends. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Welcome to the journey home. My name is Catherine. Let's have a peek at your partner, or a peek at the person coming towards you, or a peek at the person that's on your mind, or a peek at the partner, or the business partner, family member on your mind, friend. What are these energies that are coming in? We've got at the top of your reading the Ten of Earth. This person wants to be a legacy building, or when they think of you, they think of legacy. I'm building a family, building a home together. They're walking away from something. Oh yeah, they're thinking of you right at the heart of your reading. Their reading, your reading. They feel like they need to make a judgment call here. All right, now, you're very much on their mind. And they will walk away if they have to. They feel like they have to make a judgment call regarding you, whether or not to walk away. We do see them walking away. If they need to walk away, they're going to walk away. They're just going to do it. They don't want to walk away, whoever this is. For those of you with new love coming in, this person is walking away in order to come towards their, Aquarius, the person of your life. We have abundance, this growing abundance beyond expectations. This is someone who is grounded, wants to branch out, wants equal give and take. This is a fair-minded person. Practical. Could be they're more focused on money these days, or, stability these days. And they don't want to think about passion or love or anything, because they're trying to decide whether to walk away from you in order to have their abundance. You're very much on their mind. If you know how soulmates attract. If you haven't even met this person yet, Aquarius, they're being pulled towards you. They're walking away from something to come towards you. But in the case where there's somebody in your midst right now, they are wondering. They'll walk away if they have to. But they see abundance with you. They're trying to cut out the things, or they are cutting out the things that are necessary to cut out. Now we have both the King and Queen of Swords. So they love communication with you. They love the way the two of you communicate. So maybe they're looking at you and saying, well, I'll cut that out if I have to, but I don't want to. They're thinking about coming forward with an offer to stabilize. They may be worried that you're just going to play them. Or coming in with an offer because they're trying to remove those obstacles. Oh, the judgment call to walk away. New career, new passion, destiny. They're really focused on, their life's work. This person could play you, or they see you as a player. They ultimately want to celebrate, have that equal give and take between the two of you. I think deep down they feel, Aquarius, now this is the wish beyond what they hope for. And this passion is what they feel the payoff could be with you. And they're trying to stabilize a situation. But they're making a judgment call to walk away from something. Well, that's got to be the strangest reading I've ever done for Aquarius in my entirety of doing Aquarius. This person is going through some kind of crap. They're either playing someone, or they're being played, or they're wanting to stabilize it, and they're walking away. They're walking away from something, wanting to stabilize it, and they're going to walk away. This could have been a three-party situation. They're looking at their destiny. They're focused on money. Did you encounter a greedy person? All right, let's look at the signs. We see good communication between the two of you. Now, if this is new love coming, you know, this is what they're leaving behind or walking away from, coming towards you. If this is someone who's, you know, you've been in a relationship, they're walking away from something. Wanting to stabilize a situation. It's almost like, I'll cut it out if I have to. I really don't want to. They maybe pull out an olive branch. Is it you that ends up walking away? They want celebration. They want good news. They want to know that they can have this passionate new beginning with you. That, I feel, equal give and take among everyone involved. Focus on being on the right path. This person could be starting a new job that's going to bring them a lot of money, which is going to be beneficial for their home. This is a soulmate of yours. There's reconciliation here. And getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond will deepen. Yes, this is a soulmate you're dealing with, Aquarius. Looks like they're going through some kind of bumpy something or other. It could be they feel, judging from the cards that just came up, that they feel like you're going to walk away. They're trying to keep you from walking away, giving you that peace offering, trying to stabilize the situation. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius. They're making a judgment call to walk away from something in order to have this, to follow their path, their destiny. And this is your soulmate. Wow, that kind of took me for a 90-degree turn there, or a 180-degree turn there, Aquarius. Happy news that you are going to give as well as receive. That they're not doing this for nothing. Very interesting. If that resonated for you in one form or another, please hit that thumbs up to help the algorithm. Also, if you'd like some free cards pulled for you personally, I go live twice a week. So make sure that bell on the notification beside the subscribe button is clicked, and you'll be notified when I go live and pull cards for people in the chat. God bless you, Aquarius. We'll talk to you again soon, I hope. Bye-bye for now.